Welcome to this explainer on the PathReady on-ramp. Let's get you and your student moving forward today.
You know Coach Guay, and you get the pathways. So are you ready to actually make your move?
Here is the golden rule, though. No skipping ahead. You absolutely gotta do these 3 steps in order.
Step 1 is to assess. Getting your future readiness score is your literal top priority right now.
Honestly, taking this short assessment is the single most important thing you can do to start off right. And the best part? It's lightning fast. We're talking maybe 10 minutes total to knock it out. Boom, you'll instantly see exactly where your student stands across 5 key readiness areas.
You get completely personalized feedback, plus crystal clear next steps for your family. No guesswork required. So, jump into the future readiness classroom and knock this out before you do anything else.
All right, step 2 is building the foundation. Grab that student snapshot worksheet you downloaded back in lesson 4. Sit down with your student and fill this out together. It literally becomes the blueprint for your plan. Why? Because every resource works 10 times better when you know exactly who they are and what they want. Finally, step 3 is community. Head over to the Parent Support channel inside the PathReady platform. Look for the Introduce Yourself channel. Once you're there, just go ahead and post your student's grade level. And hey, be vulnerable here. Share the absolute biggest thing you're worried about right now. Remember, you don't need to have it all figured out. The whole goal is just to show up. This space was built for exactly where you are right now. We totally get those struggles. These 3 moves, assess, foundation, and community, are your official on-ramp into the whole PathReady ecosystem. Knocking these out gives you a crystal clear picture of exactly where your kid is starting from today. Just like that, you've got a rock-solid foundation and an entire supportive community having your back. And honestly, that level of prep is way more than most families ever have when they start out. You've got the map in your hands. Are you finally ready to take that first step? Today, let's go.